Okay guys, let's see how you can access a particular machine using remote desktop connection even if that particular machine user account doesn't have any password. So say for example you have one particular user created on that machine, and that particular user which you created to be accessible via remote desktop connection does not actually have a password. So in such a scenario, when you try to normally access that machine using remote desktop connection, it will throw an error that this is invalid username or password or something like that. So what do you want to do in that case is go to start and then type run, open the run menu, um, go to group policy editor, which is gpedit.msc, and once you are there, you want to go to computer configuration, which is this one. Okay, let me maximize it a bit. Okay, inside computer configuration, go to Windows settings, which is this. Then go to local policies, security settings, and then to local policies. Under security options, um, you have this particular feature, this policy that says accounts limit local account use of blank passwords to console logon only, and right now it is enabled. Now if you want to read what that actually means, and you can go through the explanation part of it, what I did is I just double clicked this particular policy and I have this particular window. Now if you want to have that particular machine accessible via remote desktop connection even if the user does not have any password on it, you just have to disable this particular policy. Once you disable and apply this and then click OK, now my machine, because I have disabled it, it should be accessible on on remote desktop connection with a user that does not have any password. If I have created that user in the first place on my machine, and if I have added that user to the list of remote desktop users, I'm assuming you have already done that because if you're watching this particular video. Okay, so as simple as that, you just have to go on to this particular policy and disable it. Then on whichever machine this particular policy is disabled, it will be accessible via remote desktop connection even if the user through which you are accessing the machine does not have a password. If like me you prefer going through the registry editor way, I personally prefer that. So you just go to reg edit, excuse me. So inside regedit, what you have to do is you have to go to H key local machine, system, current control set, control, LSA, and over here you have to find the option that says limit blank password use. Now you have to make it 0 if it is not already 0. Right now it is already 0 for me because remember I just changed the setting over there. I disabled the service. This is the same thing. If you do 0 over here, it will be disabled automatically over there. So if you want to, it will show you 1 on your machine right now if it is not configured for this particular purpose, so that it can be accessible via remote desktop connection through a user which does not have a password. But you can make it 0 and then click OK. Then it should be accessible on remote desktop connections even without a password. So that was it for this particular video, guys. Do like my video, do share it if you liked it, do share in comments any suggestions you have or anything like that, if you have any concerns, any queries, and do subscribe to my channel. That really motivates me to create more and more videos. Again, thanks a lot for watching this video, guys, and do stay tuned for more.